This is Brittany with WTI, and everyone needs extra squishy in their life. So this is the little shark, which is so precious, and I personally love the winky face. So cute. And look at the little glitter belly. The glitter belly, stop it. Okay, so first of all, the emotional support needs that happen from having this squishy are just beyond all things. It's almost like if you don't even need a stress relieving ball that you used to squeeze. No, now you can just have your little squishmallow and squish it all the time. It is a really fantastic neck pillow, okay? I actually take this with me on airplanes and I will lean it against the window and sleep with it like this. It is the best travel pillow because it's the perfect size and it squishes so nicely. It's easy to fit in things and it's extra cute. So why wouldn't you want this little squishmallow to add squishy happiness to your life? And that's my point of view.